welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart recording with a game-changing device, a little thing called the iFLYTEK smart recorder. Okay, this thing, whether you're a journalist, a student, or someone who needs a reliable recorder for meetings, this little device has you covered. Let's check out some of its awesome features. First up, the offline transcription feature. One of the best things about the iFLYTEK smart recorder is you can transcribe your recordings to text without needing an internet connection. Your notes are securely converted to text, and there are no hidden costs involved. It's perfect for professionals who need things to be confidential. The next best thing about this thing is the long distance recording abilities. With 2-directional and 4 omnidirectional microphones, this recorder can capture sound clearly from up to 10 meters away. So whether you're recording a speaker across the room or just picking up subtle sounds, you'll get a crisp audio every time. And thanks to its AI powered technology, the iFLYTEK recorder supports fast and accurate transcription. It can transcribe English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Russian. It's perfect for your dealing with the multilingual content or working overseas or anywhere international. The 2-inch touchscreen really enhances the experience. Not only can you listen to your recordings, but you can also view transcripts directly on the device. This makes it super convenient if you need to quickly check a note or a section on audio on the go. And with 7 hours of continuous recording and storage for up to 175 hours of audio, you'll never have to worry about running out of battery or space. Perfect for those long days when you need something reliable. Now, operating the iFLYTEK smart recorder is simple. A quick press of the on and off button starts your recording instantly, or you can use the touchscreen for more control. Either way, it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Let's talk about how portable this little thing is. It's tiny, just 1.8 and 4.6 inches and weighing only 3.5 ounces. It's lightweight, easy to grip, and fits right in your pocket, making it perfect companion for anyone on the move. Not to worry, you don't need any backpacks, anything. Just put it in your pocket and you're ready to go. So the last thing I want to talk about, what comes with the iFLYTEK recorder. You'll find everything you need in this box. You'll find the recorder itself, user manual, and a charging cable. That's all you need. And you're ready to go to start recording and transcribing. Not bad. So there you have it. The iFLYTEK smart recorder is packed with features designed for versatility, ease of use, and top-notch performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.